My healthy snack. This is my cereal and it's in the green group. This is my fruit and it is in the fruit category and it's healthy because it has fruit in it. This is my crackers and it's in the green group. It has some dairy and it's really healthy. These are my crackers and they're in the green group. They don't have any sugar and they're very healthy because they have lots of protein. This is my granola bar and it's really healthy. It has a little bit of chocolate, but it's in the green group and it's really, really, really good. Bye. This is my fishes and one is in the green group and one is in the junk food. They are healthy and they're good. By Desiree.